The next thing we're going to do, now we've changed the title and who it's by, is change how it looks. So just now we can see that there's this gold background here and our buttons are green and our next button's blue and the text is black. We can change how all these things look by going to the CSS, which is the style sheet. So in the style sheet, you will see as you scroll up and down, there are different titles like H1, H2, question image, quiz container, and some of these rules have got colors. So H1 says color white. If I change that to say blue, we can see that the heading 1, which is my festive quiz, changes to blue. Heading 2 says color white. If I change this to be something else, make it red, you can see it changes here. As you scroll up and down, you will see that different CSS rules, some have colors and some don't. So question number says color black. Let's make that purple. And you'll see that the question number is what's changed there. So you can have a look at the different colors that you see as you scroll up and down and try and change them to see what effect they have on your site. So I can see that my different colors and my buttons have changed. We're going to change that to say pink. So you can have a look at that. Don't worry, you don't have to do this. If you make a mistake, you just have to make sure the spelling's correct and this little semicolon is at the end of each line. Once we're happy with that, we'll change the picture that's in the background. So you can see on line 9 it says background image URL, then this address on the internet of where that picture lives. Now if you go and find another picture, we can just replace this picture with the one you find. So to do that, you might want to go and have a wee search for some festive wallpapers. I found one that I like, which is here. So I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to press view image. And there's my full picture. Now I can go to the address bar at the top here, right click and copy. So I'm copying the address on the internet where this picture lives. Go back to my code editor and then just delete what's between those brackets there and then paste in the address, and you can see that the picture in the background has changed. Now the important thing to remember is you have single quotes that surround your address. So it's single quote, the address of the picture, then a single quote. If you don't have those, it'll look like this. So make sure you put the single quotes around those things.